Cypress's project helps senior citizens at the Sheridan at Lakewood Ranch assisted living facility relearn fine motor skills, discover a creative outlet, and experience positive social interaction. In a workshop setting, she taught a crochet pattern to the residents that resulted in a bag that could be adapted to hang on either a wheelchair or a walker. Not only did the crocheting improve the residents' dexterity and sharpen their minds, Cypress noted the bags allowed them to gain a newfound feeling of accomplishment and self-worth.
Part of what motivated me is that I'm very interested in brain research. I want to study degenerative brain diseases as an undergraduate, so that was part of the motivation because I know that crochet has a lot of mental benefits, and also my grandfather has dementia, and I know that sometimes learning new things is hard for him, but it's very good at the same time. So if I could help other people who maybe might be suffering with the same thing, I would love to do that. I would definitely encourage other Girl Scouts to pursue their award. The best part is seeing the people that you're helping. Watching how your project impacts them is truly unbelievable. It's a lot of fun. And I would say in terms of advice, it's very easy to kind of get lost in the middle of your project and not want to continue because it gets hard, but just power through it and it's very rewarding. My name is Cypress Potter and I'm a Gold Award Girl Scout.